Tourmeister jou children. Ivan Antissa. Isit magik tu saafetyd in hierdie inkle. Bit uithousted from te spelstrein. Te instant lei voorgod te wole incident. Starven. Te planne tu trade te onlei jare pendant voor amial. Onlei tu bechaset out by te sopkeeper woed hou getem frauds. Jesting. But this thing is it elderlei wo man naam het aan die intervenet. Not onlei dit se triatem to free chicken. Her wordt brimmet witte te affektion op 'n grandmotter voor haar grandchildren. Uitdays warm dinner was abruptly saterit by aan urgent kal. Te old laat hy son. Te chew of zijn grouwpaad been kidnap het. Simultaneously. De company stok vas het malisieus soort selle. Teetering om te brink of bankruptcy. Familie relatief sy sette opportuniteit to exploit te crisis. Demanding te matriarches in der korporate kontrol. Of fase te consequences of hersonsdiate. They presented kidnappers voetage aan plummeting stock charts. Pressing her relentlessly. The elderly woman found herself in an impossible dilemma. A taste critical yentier. Ivan suddenly stepped forward. Climbing a cult resolve the stock crisis. The relatives burst into laughter on the spot. Mocking the old lady. Weer dit outfinties twee kleele kids. But Ivan remained inflammable. Proclaiming himself a deity who controls the world's secrets. And delivering as hawking property. In 5 minutes. China's technology will achieve a abreakterug. Bekoming the world's best. He instructed the old lady to immediately use all her assets. To be related stocks. The relatives lag it even louder. Pointing out that China's was internationally blocked. And widely regarded as a young stock. But jesting. An assistant resident in the news. The kidnapped Q had indeed been secretly plannen. A massive acquisition of stocks all along. The old lady's yard skipped obviat. Ze deed dit to stake everything. Ze ordered her staff to invest all her assets into stocks. The relatives declared her insane. Waiting to see her lose everything. As the clock struck down. Abreaking news alert interrupted it. Our nations researchers have achieved it. By historic projectrouge in artificial intelligence. Developing Titianse system. Dat has satellite western technological barriers. De moment in neefsbroke. A sector stock skyrocketed. Zijn grauw. Often acquired massive holdings just 5 minutes earlier. Not only recovered all losses, but also made a fortune. Becoming China's largest holder of ISARS. The relatives fattest net asset. Their short selling scheme not only wiped out their capital, but also cost them a fortune. It turned out these two children were no ordinary banks. After the crisis passed, the children finally remembered their mission. Risking their kidnapped inche. Ivan wilde het is magic. Instantly pinpointing their endless location. Tijdens toeverit a mysterious box, containing a powerful magical artifact. Mian Wille. Inside an abandoned factory. The kidnappers leader was brutally torturing the chew. The two children suddenly apart. But the chew mistakenly touwget ty weer accomplices. Isa heritlei at planet. Climbing se cult simonte god of welte to resteer them. The kidnappers burst into laughter upon jarentes. And the leader even started playing at die liggame with haar revolver. Mocking ty naivety. At the critical moment. Isa souted to skate that if the god of welte didn't apart. Sy tell the goddess of welte about his tas of hidden kas. No sooner had the words left her mouth dan a golden licht burst voort. A majestic figure klad in dragon robe slowly descended. The god of welte penis het de kidnappers bevore reskyn them.
本音频由魔音工坊 AI 生成。